Here's some fun ideas for some fall themes. And this owl is so fun and dramatic. This one was colored with Copic markers and some glitter on the eyes, if you can see it. And it might also be very fun if you're into color pencils to work on some different colors of paper. And I did one on watercolor paper, which would be fun to just paint as well. And here's with the dome jar and the little gift wallet. And then I was having a lot of fun here with the Wobbly Witch. And so I did some color work. I like the look of the color pencils on the craft paper. And on this one, I did it on the blue. And I set, you can just 3D these, or use the little pop-up tab here to put the pumpkin in the foreground. She's aiming for an accident here, I'm afraid. And then I did try another step, and I just penciled in a little bit more of a pathway here. And on this one, I cut away so that I could just switch to green and have even less coloring to do. And those little tabs are from the pop-up stages. And then I just will show you my plan here if you wanted to do a pop-up this way. And again, I was just practicing with my white panel here to see how the pieces would fit together. But I think coloring the white would be a bit much, and maybe doing the whole thing in gray once you get it worked out would be the easiest way. And then your effort to color would just go to the little characters there. You can make a fun little card with the turkey and pop up this little piece, even though it's part of one and the same. And then I cut out some extra ones if you want to 3D our little turkey here. That's a pretty fun one to do that with. And then I was enjoying the slimline format, and whether you want to do horizontal or vertical. Move this out of the way. So I cut out a circle, which was just kind of a nice format here. And let's say you want to do some leaves. These are from the clear set, and they make a nice array going horizontally. And if you want to do a circle and maybe trim away an edge, that would give you a focal point to stamp a message into the card. And in the same way with this one, that could kind of become a focal point. And the leaves will work either way. And maybe on this one, I cut away just a part of this one, which makes kind of a fun fall motif here, and you could cover part of that if it mattered. Then I did another slimline option, and in the slimline video I show you how to structure and all the dimensions for this kind of a little 3-tier segment in the front. And again, you can secure the leaves to it at all different panels to create a really nice little display. And then I discovered that I could use the cutting die borders. And on this one, let me stretch this out. This one cuts only at the top edge. So I simply matched it along the edge, and I had to run it through 2 times, and it lines up to overlap for a perfect pattern all the way across. If you need to make a gift card holder for a fall theme or birthday, you can just switch to your fall patterned papers, and this one is a one-sided paper, so you can put this on the inside and maybe a leaf or two to finish it off. Here's the little gift message. And then I made some little gnomes out of printed papers. I'll put them up here. You can see. And again, just the different fall prints are very fun. A couple of these little guys in contrasting colors anyway would show up on your gift wallet. And you might do some fun. Oh, these little guys, this one's missing his nose. You can add the leaves and pine cones as well.